Morning everyone. It is cold and wet today. Oh well, we've had a few days of sun, haven't we, so just going to head over there for some brick. If the weather's shite, then oh bloody hell, not getting much. 13 volts going in. Oh, what have I done here? Oh yeah. Right, 2 minutes. God, it's actually really cold. Morning. Oh Jesus. Hello, mate. Mate. Can't get in, mate.
Oh, come on. Boss.
Captain, can I come in, please?
Boss, this way.
Go.
Yeah, get back.
No. Yes, yes.
So warm and cosy in here, isn't it?
This is not nice outside. Yes!
Do you like my sofa?
That is a bit funkalicious.
I don't know about this bit.
There you go. Calm down. Where are we going to put this monitor then? Actually, I need a coffee before I even speak.
Yeah, just leave that for a minute. Well,
look, first, I can't.
have you not had a coffee yet?
No.
It's coming. Just open the knob.
I feel like you could do with a shelf in this cupboard. You wreck.
Depends what I put in
That's
there.
just triggering me. Yes, hello.
I want to crack a window.
Morning.
Big nice enough. So it'll get thicker, won't it?
2 people.
It'll get thicker. I'll put a bit more in, but...
I'm starving.
Okay, right, you can eat it all then. I'll fill you again. Sorry about you.
Cinema mate. Hi. Somebody actually commented this on the video.
What?
Oh, you can't get out, can you?
I know.
Need to fix the back doors.
What, someone said that?
I don't know, somebody said about the boots.
Oh, what did
You
they
need a
say?
pair.
Oh.
It's quite hard. There you go. Got it.
So you did it?
Got it sussed, mate.
Oh, you're sad.
Oh, it looks like you've just gone into heaven or something.
Oh, it's miserable. Here we go. There's your shoes.
Top look.
There's only one way to do this. Come on. Come. Why is this so difficult? Why is he not...
Is the lead on that thing?
Oh, he's hooked. I wonder why he wasn't. He's just standing there like, Mum. Right.
Bloody hell. Water at this one's €5.
5?
There we go, we have a plan for the spots. So, we go. We're here. There for water. And then we go a bit further to the beach. Winning.
Straight for the scissors. Is that just going to be a common thing now? You just
Got it on lockdown now. Right, see you in a bitty. Correct.
Yes.
Look out the top of the window right now.
The top.
Over there.
What?
He's filling up his water tank from the tap, which is just there. Oh, goody.
What the frick?
Start using that then. I have to stick the heating on for a minute. How much diesel I got in there? Not much. And to top it up in a bit, I'll show you how you do that, even though it's pretty self-explanatory. I think we're going to go fill up our waters quickly, seeing as taps there. There was a hose on it for Marie's, but I don't know if it was the guy's hose or what. But you're about to see why I choose to do it the way I do it. I mean, some people put a port on the side of the van and, you know, do it that way, but I've always gone with the container method because it means, well, I'm just going to leave my van here, walk around to the tap, fill up and come back. Dead easy. Whereas obviously Marie's got to drive a van over to it and hopefully it's got the hose on there. There you go, look, easy as that. Just run over to the tap, 2 containers, my big tank's full, job's a good one. It's not quite so easy for Marie, unfortunately, because the guy took the hose pipe, so she's having to do it with a bucket. Alright, not so good internet in this spot. 40 minutes, so gonna go over there, have some food quick, and then I think we're gonna get on the road, because there's not really much to see here, so. That was silly. Look at this, fresh bread. Well,
It's kind of fresh.
kind of fresh.
Yeah.
You've got an oven, man. It's so unfair.
It's a little bit unfair, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I want an oven.
but I've got a lot of work to do to my van. It's probably scrapyard.
No,
No.
it's not scrap. How did you hit what? Scrap? Calling your house scrap?
No, that's what the guy at the garage said.
We like the garage. If I'd have took mine to a garage, I'd have pissed herself when I first bought it.
I don't have a bread knife.
Oh, I left it at home, remember? Don't need that much.
I don't actually need it. I'll use this one, I guess.
Oh, you're such a good boy.
I want some food, Daddy.
Your butter looks less runny than my butter, and mine is in the fridge. How's that work?
It's just overall a better van than yours, probably.
Okay. No. Has it been 40 minutes? What are we saying? 10 minutes? Go time?
Yeah, about that.
What is she doing? I lost the spot. That looks nice. Found a lake. Gonna go to that. Radio bloody check.
Radio check.
Let's boogie. Does look quite posh around it. Nav just tried to make us go down some tiny little dirt track. You know, learnt me lesson from that.
Am I going on the field? They can go on the field.
There we go. Nice bit of fresh tarmac.
Oh my, these colours.
across there. Nice spots, no problem. Oh, there's a lake.
Oh my god, are we here?
I think so. Oh, there's someone there. There's just one.
Finding a destination on left.
Could be cool.
To my right.
I think that might have been the only f***ing spot there, you know. Unless you park on the grass. Oh, I mean, this feels like a path. Nice though. Down by the canal. I'm making a move just down the road to a stop where I can actually pull over properly.
I said, you're just going to have to film yourself talking absolute bollocks. Because by the time we get there, it's going to be dark.
It's 3 kilometres away. Taking a punt on this spot. There's no pictures. And the description's in French. Which is not ideal. Oh, bugger. I think we probably need to start driving slightly earlier in the future, so we're not arriving in the dark every time. Hi. Okay.
Who wants to say hi?
Hurrah! Hurrah! Can't reach, mate. Pissy now. We're in a dead spot, which is annoying. I might have to just find something a bit further afield and get a drive on.
Yeah, I don't mind.
You don't mind? That's alright then. Like, I could literally drive all night, so
Shut up!
you tell me when to stop.
Yeah, I can drive it now.
Alright. Right, I think we've found a winner now. We're moving again. Found one in a forest. About 27 kilometres further down. And then, if that's crap, there's a Carrefour like 5 minutes away with 10 motorhome places, so we'll just go there if we have to. Hopefully this other one will have places. Gone wrong already, mate. Need to turn around. Wasn't looking at the sat nav. Right, let's try again. This is the thing with the winter. This is the side of it that I didn't think about. But it feels really late, but it's only 5:30. Like in the summer it don't get dark till bloody 10, 11 o'clock, does it? So there's no sort of pressure to find a spot. I mean, there isn't anyway, like, I don't care. Marie said she don't mind driving a bit more anyway, so it's all good. See what this next one's like. Apparently, at the end of this road, there's a lay-by or something where we can stop. We'll see. We've just driven into a forest. Oh, this looks alright actually. This'll bloody do, mate, I think.
Looks decent, to be fair.
I might turn round there. I think we've found a cool spot. Hopefully you're allowed to stay here. We'll turn on the beams, have a look. Oh, wrong side. That's alright to me. To make sure there's no signs anywhere that say no motorhomes or something. I don't think there is. Missed one.
Nice.
Oh, this looks spooky on the camera.
What does it look like?
Blair Witch Project.
Oh, I knew you were going to say that.
This sign says, make sure it don't say no mohos or something. I mean, it's funny because I'm pretending like I'm going to be able to read it. National Forest. Great.
Wicked.
No idea. Excellent. Don't see a motorhome sign though, so that's all groovy. I think this will probably be a overnight have brekkie and maybe go to that Carrefour spot job.
Oh, the shop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One,
I
we're not
made
going to
a
get any
list
solar.
Yeah.
And two, I bet there'll be no internet.
Hmm.
Starry though.
I've got 3G. What is that?
Eee.
You've got fresh water in the van that you've brought from Muddy Puddle.
What do you want to do? Sort him out and then come round here?
Yeah.
Okay. Need to top the heating up. Because I have a tank mounted inside, you see. Some people tap it into their fuel tank, but I think it's better doing it this way because then you always know how much you've got. Definitely don't want to be running out of the main tank fuel. There we go. Apparently I didn't fill the jerry cans up all the way. Well, it's a 10 litre tank, so 2 of these normal cans. Mega heating. That'll last ages, that will. I think you guys have seen my table, have you? Legless. My van is crazy at night. Proper in the forest there. Listen, hopefully it'll pick up on camera. So cool. Oh, what a mess. Can't be asked to clean that up now. But yeah, so we had dinner, watched a movie, and that's it. It's time for bed. I think tomorrow, when we get up, we'll probably go have an explore in this forest a little bit. But I reckon we're going to do a big drive tomorrow. Probably. Just to try and make a bit of progress. Not go too mad, but I think there's a Carrefour down the road, so we're going to go there first. Stock up and then go on a bit of a trek, I reckon. Alright folks, and it's time for some kip. Yeah, thanks for all the comments and kind words you keep leaving. Really appreciate it. If you're enjoying the videos, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss. I'm trying to aim for 6 o'clock every day, but as you know, it's a bit up and down. Sometimes I can, sometimes I can't, depends what we're doing. But so far it's been alright. Yeah, if you enjoy the video, don't forget to like it as well, so I know I'm doing a good job. And if you don't enjoy it, please dislike it. Like, it's not going to make me annoyed or anything. It was just good. It's good feedback. I don't care whether it's positive or negative. Any feedback is good feedback. And then, like I say, it's awesome how much interaction the videos are getting. I really appreciate it. So thank you everyone who is following along. I shall catch you all tomorrow. Later.